You just gotta hear this. Just.
Oh yeah.
It's got the experience.
Okay, how is it?
It's really good and gooey.
Hey there, welcome to the channel. I'm Matt, this is Faith. This afternoon, the Northwoods Navigator family, the entire family, is gonna make some s'mores on the fire, but we're not talking just any s'mores. We're talking a s'mores smorgasbord. We're gonna raid the pantry, we're gonna get out some classic ingredients, we're gonna get out some wild and crazy ingredients.
And we're definitely talking sticky fingers.
So stick around, see which one's gonna be the ultimate winner.
It's delicious.
Is it really?
It's so good. You gotta have this kind.
All right, we got some chocolate chip cookies, some EL fudge cookies, and some graham crackers, both cinnamon and honey graham crackers. We got some Peeps, the regular marshmallows. Over here for the middle stuff, we've got some Reese's peanut butter cups, Rolo, Kit Kat, Heath, Twix, Andes Mints, your typical Hershey bar, and some bacon there in the baggie. So let's roast up some marshmallows and see how it goes. First two marshmallows on the fire.
What do you want?
I think mine's good.
Marshmallow graham cracker?
No, I'll have chocolate. Who wants this?
Amaya's going with the regular s'more.
Yep. Do you have bacon on it?
It's weird.
Faith, what are you having?
I'm having the cinnamon and sugar graham cracker in the Heath bar.
Cinnamon and sugar graham cracker and the Heath bar.
I'm gonna open the heat bar for you.
Sure.
Jono, I've never roasted a peep on a fire before.
I haven't either. I'm excited to see how it turns out. With the sugar coating on it, I'm trying to be extra cautious to make sure it doesn't just like catch fire and crystallize.
It's like creme brulee.
Ah! Marshmallow creme brulee. I think I just saw it flare up a little there.
How is it?
Good. Very cold out though.
Yeah. Is it good with a Heath bar? Yeah. I already know what one tastes like with a Hershey bar. It's good. How you doing, Amira?
Good.
Good? What are you going to put on yours?
Graham crackers.
Graham cracker and what else?
Chocolate.
Just a regular chocolate bar? Oh, you like your sister.
You don't want to try it with your chocolate chip cookies?
It's very jiggly.
Oh, blow, it's on fire.
I just put it up.
Okay, you want a different one or you want to use that one? Different one? This end is the way every first marshmallow ends for you.
Elvis, no. You want for Elvis with bacon?
With bacon? Just give him a piece of bacon.
We can make him one at the end.
I think that peep is about at its maximum point. I feel like I'm about to
Fall
lose it.
You want
Laura,
a
it's your
cinnamon?
peep.
You want a cinnamon graham cracker or regular?
Regular.
She wanted me to.
For me?
Yeah.
I'll do cinnamon.
With the beef?
Oh wait, got that cinnamon? Oh, it is. Yes, please.
What, do you want to chuck anything on there?
That's mine on.
Maybe Let's do regular chocolate for that one.
Okay.
Golden.
All
It
right.
looks pretty good.
It does.
I'll go regular, but I'll do a Reese's peanut butter cup.
Okay. Is it gonna make it? I'll try to be fast. Oh, dang.
It's just that well cooked. Just gotta watch out for the.
Did you say regular?
Yes, please.
Okay.
There we go.
Whoa.
Run away. Clean off all of the Thank you very much for the assembly.
It's like creme
Cheers.
We've got our first sticky fingers. How's the peep? It looks stringier than a marshmallow.
delicious.
Oh, Mary, you're doing great on that one. Oh, marshmallow number 2. Toast.
He definitely knows how to work those.
Do you want to eat it or throw it? Throw it. Stand right next to Faith. I'll be out of the. I don't know.
Looking good there, Mira.
Careful.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, quick.
Marshmallow number 3.
That's pretty good. It's still going. It's still going.
Watch out, Elvis.
Elvis, you're right in the drop zone.
Cinnamon?
What are you putting on it, Hope? The Reese's?
Oh no. Got it on my finger again.
I don't remember. No, I actually don't remember.
Regular graham cracker? Regular chocolate? No? Ooh. Striped cookies.
Straight cookie.
And marshmallow? That's it? Alright. There it is. Ooh. Looks good. And sticky.
How is it with the peanut butter cup? Good?
I like how the marshmallow squished in between the hole of the cookie.
Oh, that's action shot.
How is it with the straight cookie? Good? Awesome. What are you going to do with yours, Natalie?
Peanut butter cup bacon.
Nice.
Cinnamon sugar graham cracker.
Are you going to do another classic one?
No, I'm doing this for Elvis.
Oh, you should do that for Elvis.
What kind does Elvis get?
You can have bacon.
Yeah, he's gonna have bacon.
Is the bacon like a crispy bacon, or is it kind of a looser bacon?
It's like an 8.
An 8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that'll be delicious.
Oh my gosh.
Can I borrow my box? Okay, wait. Can you grab this, please? Hey, Elvis. Come here, buddy.
Like that light golden
Sit.
brown all around right now.
Shake. Shake.
She's got the experience.
Well, the bacon's going. There goes the marshmallow.
Oh, he spits it out.
Good, buddy. Because Mom's marshmallow is getting cold. Oh.
No, we can't have chocolate. Want two?
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Oops.
It's like stuck on the tube.
Oh, another sticky finger. How is it with the bacon?
It's delicious.
Is it really?
It's so good. You gotta have this kind.
With the bacon, huh?
And a peanut butter cup. Bacon.
I'm gonna do Rolos.
Yeah, it's not because all down. It does smell.
That was my problem when I was a kid, is I'd point it down like this, and then it would go, slide right off into the fire.
I want to have chocolate chip cookies too. So we're doing the chocolate chip cookie. We'll stick a couple of rolls in there. And a piece of bacon. Another chocolate chip cookie. Ember bases. Look at that. I don't know how to eat it.
You bite it? How is it? Is it good?
That is good. It's got sticky all over me.
Sticky fingers. Yeah.
Face. Yeah, it is good.
Where'd you put the garbage?
Laura's doing a repeat of the one I did.
Looks so good, gotta give it a try.
Yep.
Thank you. Just throw it.
Okay.
Thank you. All right, John, you get first bite.
No, you got first bite. You made it.
Okay.
I'll just take whatever's left.
What happened?
Last time we got smoke by.
Okay, how is it?
It's really good and gooey. The bacon and the peanut butter go really well together.
Told you it'd be good.
Like this.
Was it good?
It was good, but I think the chocolate chip cookie like overruled the bacon. So you didn't really taste it. Oh, you're having another one? What are you gonna make?
Warmth, like it just
Gonna make mint, marshmallow, and the cinnamon graham cracker.
That sounds pretty good. You should split that in half and share.
Okay. Okay.
This would be like perfect.
Okay.
Oh, with the Twix?
It's a Twix. First Twix. Okay. Snap it here off. Put it on the graham cracker.
They're dwindling.
And hope it's good.
I bet it will be.
The dog got that.
Oh, okay. Well, the dog got half the Twix. Do you want another chunk of Twix in there? Oh, you're good? All right.
Did you get to the Twix yet? Is it good? Oh, sweet.
Oh, no.
Another stab. That was better than I thought it was gonna be because it got all crispy.
The peep.
Mm-hmm. Kind of caramelized.
We almost didn't bring them out. They got like a char on there, yeah. Yeah.
How much longer this one's gonna be able to hold on for. So I think it might be time for assembly. Let's see here. Let's go with some regulars. Actually, I'm gonna do the cookie.
You need to hold the poker.
Yeah, you'll hold my poker, please. Clear out. I like the mint idea. I feel like that'll go with a real Christmassy vibe.
Yeah, that's pretty Christmassy right there.
It's also nice and crispy. Oh, hold on a sec. You just gotta hear this. Just
Oh yeah.
that
Like a
crunch.
crust right on the outside.
Yeah. Excited. Oh, let me get on Natalie's way here. Go for the first messy bite. I know it's gonna be. Oh, that was good. The mint and the mallow. A very fun flavor combination.
What'd you put?
Mint in the cookie.
Okay.
The mint is pretty strong flavor, I will say.
Okay.
Kind of overpowers the other stuff, but I have no problems with that. I like minty.
What do you think? You don't seem as excited about this one as you did the bacon.
The bacon was fantastic, but I don't think that goes with mint. This is good, but not as good as the peanut butter cup and the bacon.
You got it on me.
Look at that goo.
Yeah, that's pretty minty. But it's good. You have to like mint though.
Oh, you don't even have to brush my teeth tonight now. Minty fresh.
You're just waiting for some more, aren't you, buddy?
I am not giving you any more. Nope. Doesn't matter how much you beg.
That's a good point.
Well, that's quite a battle of s'mores there. We had some of the classic combinations. We had some pretty interesting combinations too. It sounds like the bacon was a real winner. The peeps were a real winner as well. But the best part, spending time around the campfire outside with the family. What kind of combinations have you had for s'mores? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I'm on a big push to get to 500 subscribers by the middle of January here. Every subscriber sure helps. I'd sure appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and I get to follow along in the next adventure. Thanks for watching. But I think there's so much cooked.
Yeah.
I hope you don't keep that part in.
And Rolos.
Jeez, I'm gonna get up on my face. Don't worry, Dad's gonna cut that part out.